The Comprehensive Trade Assistant Indicator, which is readily offered for various popular trading platforms on the highly informative TradingFinder website. Dedicated traders can conveniently download the essential indicator file for both the widely used MetaTrader 4 and the advanced MetaTrader 5 platforms directly from this dedicated section. Furthermore, they can also thoroughly read this detailed page to gain a complete understanding of precisely how this powerful indicator effectively works and its extensive range of valuable functionality. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file and run the indicator by dragging the file onto the chart. Once the indicator is running on the chart, a signal window appears at the bottom of the chart. The Trade Assistant Indicator is a special and practical tool that allows traders to perform multi-time frame analysis of 3 indicators: stochastic, RSI, entry CCI, and trend CCI. It enables them to review the status of each signal in the time frames of 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, and 4 hours. In the Settings section, under Inputs, there are options available to us. In the first part, we can specify the standard settings for the stochastic indicator. The first input relates to the calculation period for %K, the second input is for the calculation period of %D, and finally the third input is for the calculation period of the stochastic indicator's slowing line. The next section is related to the calculation period settings for the RSI indicator, or SI, where 2 periods are provided here, allowing us to set the calculation periods for the RS. We can specify the RSI here. In the subsequent section, you are granted the comprehensive ability to meticulously configure and establish the specific trading symbols that will be utilized for the clear and precise display of various signals. Within the initial input field, you have the option to precisely define the distinct marker that will represent buy signals, the particular marker designated for sell signals, the unique marker indicating a waiting status or a market condition without an active signal, and finally, in the last 2 dedicated input fields, you possess the flexibility to thoroughly modify the status of CCI signals that are found to be contrary to buy signals and CCI signals that are contrary to sell signals, all based upon the intricate and detailed MQL codes provided here, and subsequently, you can meticulously set your preferred and desired markers within this particular and important section. Traders can effectively analyze the current market situation based on their carefully selected time frame and the specific signals they receive. For example, here we are in a clear uptrend and diligently looking to receive reliable buy signals on the chart, but as you can clearly see, only sell signals have unfortunately been generated for us. At this point, we can wait for the price to move downward and for all the signals to indicate a sell and then enter a buy position afterward. Or we can enter a sell position here and profit from the corrective trend. However, the recommended approach is based on the main market trend, meaning that the signals should be issued in line with the primary trend, and then we enter the trade. Just make sure to pay very close attention to this crucial point. All of the various time frames on the chart must be completely and fully loaded up to the very latest candle, Satwain. To do this effectively, you need to meticulously go through the 1 minute, the 5 minute, the 15 minute, the 30 minute, the 1 hour, and the 4 hour intervals, so that all the historical candles are properly loaded here for us. This way, all subsequent calculations will be done accurately and correctly. And once everything is thoroughly loaded, we can precisely identify the main market trend according to the specific time frame we're currently in, and then enter our trading positions based on the clear signals. Alright friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. I'd be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.